Hello guys, this is Noah and you're watching Noah Tech Station. So after a whole week I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to talk about why I'm not making videos from last week.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
I know I'm not a big YouTuber, but I need to tell you this. So previously I used to ask a lot of people about my channel that what do you think about my channel? What do you think about my videos, my content? So do you like it or not?
No, I don't like your videos.
Okay, never mind. And then some people provide me their feedback.
Oh, you got responses from people?
Yeah, I got.
Are you lying to me?
That you had your
But why I lied to you? No, I really got some. Oh my god! No, I really got some on my videos. And they said that you are doing good. You are doing good in quality. You are doing good in thumbnails.
Nah, you are not.
You are making interesting thumbnails, attractive thumbnails. But there is something missing in your video.
Yeah, they are right. That's why I'm here.
By the way, who are you?
I am Mifi.
Okay, so Mifi, are you come here to disturb me?
I'm not here to disturb you. I'm here to make your videos more interesting in future.
Oh, I see. Okay, thanks for coming, but I need to continue my video. They said that there is not much interesting in your videos that you are doing currently. Other YouTubers doing very well, I know that. But I need to give a competition to other YouTubers, so I need to do much more interest in my videos. To make me much interesting in my videos. And I realized and I felt that same like others. So then I asked myself, if I'm a viewer, what I need in my videos to make more interesting? If I can't satisfy myself, how can I satisfy you? But then suddenly something terrible is happened in my life.
What, Noah? What is happening in your life?
Not that much big.
So are you wasting my time?
No, but the thing is that my phone got dropped from my pocket.
Oh, that's sad. So now tell me what happened with your phone.
Also know when your phone is got dropped from your pocket, your heartbeat got stuck.
No, I don't know because it doesn't happen with me. I don't have a phone. Ha ha ha.
Mifi, why are you throwing this lame joke? Okay, so and then when I picked my phone from the floor, I saw there is damage on my phone.
Oh, kindly tell me a little bit faster.
Alright, Mifi, I'm telling you. And I got a little bit depressed because my phone got damaged. And also because that I'm not making videos because I make videos from it.
So why are you making this video?
Okay, listen.
I don't know.
But hopefully my phone doesn't get that much damage.
Oh, so your phone doesn't got any damage? Are you wasting my time?
There is just a black hole.
What do you mean by black hole?
There is a black dot comes on the right top corner of my iPhone inside the note, and now I can see. So now I can see my battery percentage, my Wi-Fi signal, and I can see my SIM signal also. So I need to ask Apple why you make displays like this? The panel isn't cracked, but the screen got a dot.
Oh, a tiny dot.
The big black dot. And I don't like that. So after this I realized my phone doesn't got any much difference. Got a little dot on the top right corner and it's working fine like before. So now I'm motivated one more time with some more energy, effort and some new ideas
And I'm Mifi, also comes in the upcoming videos with Noah.
to make my videos a little bit more interesting and more useful for you guys. So hopefully you will like my future videos, and this is just a little update. Now you will going to see some more interesting, more fun stuff, more interesting videos. So hopefully you will like my video. Hopefully you will subscribe my channel, and we need to hit 1K as soon as possible. Thank you guys.
Bye guys, bye. See you in the next video.